To buy Bitcoin, you can follow these general steps. 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can buy Bitcoin. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and many others. Make sure to choose one that is available in your country and has good security practices. 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the chosen exchange. You'll typically need to provide identification and verify your identity as part of their Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. 3. Secure a wallet. You should consider getting a cryptocurrency wallet to store your Bitcoin securely. Wallets come in various forms, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile wallets. Hardware wallets are often considered the most secure. 4. Deposit funds. Deposit your local currency, like USD, EUR, etc., into your exchange account. This can usually be done via bank transfer, credit/debit card, or other payment methods supported by the exchange. 5. Place an order. Once you have funds in your exchange account, you can place an order to buy Bitcoin. You can choose a market order, buy at the current market price, or a limit order, set a specific price at which you want to buy. 6. Secure your investment. After purchasing Bitcoin, transfer it to your secure wallet. Leaving your cryptocurrency on an exchange can be risky due to potential security breaches. 7. Monitor and manage. Keep an eye on the Bitcoin market, as its price can be highly volatile. You can buy and sell Bitcoin as you wish through your exchange account. Remember that the specific process may vary slightly depending on the exchange you choose, and it's important to do your own research, follow security best practices, and only invest what you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrency investments can be risky.